Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to see Python programming data types. In Python, there are 5 different data types available. The first data type is numbers, second one string, third one list, fourth one tuple, and fifth one dictionary. The first data type number, it represents or it is used to store numeric values. A number variable or number object is created when we assign a value to them. For example, consider the statement where 1 is equal to 1. So in this statement, variable 1 is created and it is initialized with the value 1. The next statement, variable 2 is created and it is initialized with the value 10. So in Python, we can create as well as initialization can be done in single step. So these two statements creates variables variable 1 and 2 respectively, and each variable is assigned with the value 1 and 10. To delete the variable, we can use del keyword. So the syntax to delete the variable is del variable name. So var1 is the variable name, del is the keyword. This statement deletes the variable var1. That is, the memory allocated to this variable is deallocated. So this is the delete operation. To delete the variable, we have to use the keyword del. Then in Python, there are 4 different numeric data types. The first one is integer. It represents the signed integer. So the data which comes under the signed integer category can be represented using the data type int. So next data type long int. This represents the long integer value. This long also used to represent octal and hexadecimal values also. The next important data type is float, which is used to manipulate the floating point values, that is real values. Complex data type is used to represent the complex data. Next one is string data type. String is represented inside the quotation mark. The quotation mark may be single quote or double quote. So the subset of string can be taken by using the slice operator. The slice operator is nothing but opening and closing bracket, or we can use the colon symbol. So this slicing is nothing but extracting a portion of the string. So the slice operator, open and close bracket with the colon, extract the portion of the string. The string's index starts from 0. So 0 to maximum number of characters. For example, if the string contains 10 characters means the indexes ranges from 0 to 9. Next operator, concatenation operator. The symbol to represent the concatenation operator is plus sign. Plus represents the concatenation operator. This concatenation operator is used to concatenate 2 strings. Another important operator, star, that is the replication operator. So this replication operator replicates the particular string. How many times it should be replicated? It should be represented in the statement. So that number of times the particular string is replicated. For example, consider the variable str. It is the variable of type string. Okay. This str is assigned with the string hello world. To print the complete string, we can use the syntax print str. So this statement prints the complete string. If we want to print the first character of the string, for example h, the h index is 0. The string index ranges from 0 to n-1. For example, if the string length is n means the indexes ranges from 0 to n-1. So print str of 0. This statement prints the first character of the string. So this is the slicing operation to extract the characters from second index to fifth index. Print str of 2:5. This statement prints characters starting from third index to fifth index. This statement print str of 2 colon. This statement prints string starting from third character onwards. So index 2 means it gets the character on the third position. The next statement print str2. So this is the replication operator. So the particular string is replicated 2 times. Then hello world string is displayed 2 times. Hello world, hello world. This statement print str plus test. This is the concatenation operator. Plus is the concatenation operator. The output of the statement is hello world plus test. So it will concatenate hello world as well as test. These are all various example statements in string data type. Next one is list data type. List is the order collection of data. The data may be integers, float, characters, string. It is a mixed collection of data items. The list can be created using square bracket. So this is the way to create the list. So this statement creates an empty list. My list is the name of the list which is assigned with null values. There is no value specified here. So this statement represents the creation of empty list. This statement creates a list which consisting of integer values. My underscore list is the name of the list. This list contains the values 1, 2 and 3. So in this list only integers are used. We can create the list with mixed data types also. For example, in this statement we created the list with mixed data types. My list equal to 1. This is the first element. 1 is the first element. Hello and 3.4 which is the second element. So this list, my list consisting of 2 elements. The first element is 1. Second element is hello 3.4. Second element is the another list. So this is nested list. So one list is created within another list. This is known as nested list. In this example, we created list with 3 elements. My list is the name of the list which consisting of 3 elements. The first element is the mouse, second element is the 846, third element is the A. So mouse is the string type, 846 is the list type, A is list which consisting of single character. So it also contains nested list. This is also possible in Python. So in this way we can create the list. Next, how to access list elements. For example, consider the list my list. My list equal to it's consisting of 5 characters. To print the first character of this list, we have to print like this. We can access the first character using this my list name. My list is the name of the list. You have to use the my list. Within the square bracket, you have to give the index of the particular character. So the index of the first character 0, second character 1, third one 2, fourth one 3, fifth one 4. So the index of the first character is 0. So in order to print the P, that is the first character of this list, we have to give the index value like this. So print my list of 0 will output the character P. This statement print my list of 2. 2 is the index for 0, 1, 2. O. 2 is the index for O. This statement will print the output O. Likewise, my list of 4, it will display the character E. My list of minus 1. So this minus 1 denotes the negative index. So last character holds the minus 1 as its index, negative index value. We can use both positive as well as negative indexes. Positive indices ranges from 0 to n minus 1. Negative indices ranges from minus 1 to the first character index. Number of the characters, number of the elements available in the list. In this list, the minus indices ranges from minus 1 to minus 5. Minus 1 represents E, minus 2 represents B, minus 3 represents O, minus 4 represents R, minus 5 represents P. So negative indices ranges from minus 1 to length of the list. But positive indices ranges from 0 to n minus 1. N is the number of elements available in the list. In this case, positive indices ranges from 0 to 4. Negative indices ranges from minus 1 to minus 5. So 0 represents P, 1 represents R, 2 represents O, 3 represents B, and 4 represents E. This is the positive indices. In negative indices, minus 1 represents E, minus 2 B, minus 3 O, minus 4 R, minus 5 P. So likewise, print my list of minus 1, which will output the character E, because in the minus 1 index E character is available. So this statement will output E as an output character. Then in this statement, my list of minus 5. So minus 5 represents P. So this statement output P as an output character. In this way we can access the list elements. Consider another list. The name of the list is n underscore list, which consisting of two values, happy and another nested list. The values of this nested list is 2015. How to display the character A? So we have to use two-dimensional indices method. The A can be displayed using this statement. Print n list. N underscore list is the name of the list, and A character available in the index 0, 1. 0 represents the first element and 1 represents the position of the first element, the position of the particular character in the first element. So happy is the first element of n list. In this happy, there are 5 characters. So the first character index is 0, second one 1. A is under the index 1, P 2, P 3, Y 4. Okay. So the entire string is 0th index. It is available in the 0th index. 2015 is available in first index. To get the character A, you have to use double index, that is 0, what is the inner index value of A? 1. So the outer index value of happy is 0 and the inner index value of A is 1. So 0, 1, this statement will output the character A. Next statement, print n underscore list 1, 3. This statement prints the first index value. In this first index, it will display the third character. What is the third character? 5. So 1 is the outer index, 3 is the inner index. So in this way we can access the list elements. So this is the representation of indices of the particular list element. 0, 1, 2, 3, this is the positive index, this is the negative index. So we can access the substring from this list also. To access the sublist, you have to use the slicing operator. So this print my list 2, 5. So this statement print the elements beginning with second index to fourth index. The last index is omitted. It display the character up to fourth index. Print my list (-5). So this statement will print beginning to fourth element. So this statement prints third element to fifth element, and this statement prints starting to, that is beginning to fourth element. This statement prints sixth element to end of the list. 5 means it will print the sixth element to end of the list. This statement prints elements beginning to end. This statement prints entire list. Change or add elements to the